पुण्यातील बालेवाडी येथे कॉमिक कॉन इंडिया सर्वात मोठ्या पॉप कल्चरल कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले। यामध्ये कॉमिक बुक्स, टीव्ही, चित्रपट, मंगा, ॲनिमे, गेमिंग आणि ॲनिमेशन इत्यादी ट्रेंड्ससह अनेक उपक्रम, व्यापारी वस्तू आणि कॉस्प्लेयर्स यांनी सहभाग घेतला।
नमस्कार, मी अभिजित केणी आणि ही माझी बायको दीक्षा केणी। आम्ही केणी स्टुडिओज नावाचा स्टुडिओ चालवतो मुंबईमध्ये आणि इकडे आम्ही आलो आहे पुणे कॉमिकॉनला। फारच छान कॉमिकॉन एक्झिबिशन आणि आर्टचं डिस्प्ले आहे आणि आपल्याला ॲज आर्टिस्ट्स असला प्लॅटफॉर्म मिळतो ते आम्हाला फारच आनंद असतो। आणि आम्ही आपले कॉमिक्स आणतात इकडे, आपला मर्चंडाईज आणतो, ज्वेलरी करतात आम्ही ते आणतो। तर इकडे आम्हाला भेटायला मिळतात फॅन्सला। इकडे लॉट ऑफ फॅन्स सुद्धा पण व्हिजिटर्स, रीडर्स असतात आपल्या कॉमिक्सचे। आपली अँग्री मावशी पुष्कळ फेमस आहे पुण्यात, तर अँग्री मावशी कॉमिक्स घ्यायला येतात। तर मी स्टार्टिंगपासून कॉमिकॉनमध्ये पार्टिसिपेट करत आलो आहे।
This Comic Con is arranged in Pune and it's arranged in many of the areas in India as well. And this culture is mostly out of India. So how do you feel other like different cultures coming to India and people are following that?
I think it's great, and I think they should continue it. Foreign cultures, a lot of people don't like foreign culture, which is good in some aspects, but I think a lot of the foreign cultures, we need to learn a lot from them, as they as well need to learn a lot from us.
And what character have you become today?
So I'm Loki today. Loki from...
What made you become Loki?
I just like the character, and I like the all the weapons he has and the helmet. I like the look of it, basically.
So you guys have come to Pune to attend the Comic Con. How do you feel like Pune's Comic Con is?
We like the people over here, the volunteers, the cosplayers. It's really nice and fun to, explore like the shops, the activities which they had made for us. We really like it here.
What character have you become?
I'm cosplaying as Ada Wong from Resident Evil 4.
And how do you feel like this event is? How is it?
Yes, very nice. I'm from Russia, in city Krasnodar, but not have it's big festival. You have big festival. I like very good, very big cosplayer. It's good, very good cosplayer. I like it's you saving, you handmade. It's very nice.
Okay. What character have you become?
I'm a person Sita. It's from Studio Ghibli, Hayao Miyazaki.
It's nice experience, and like it's fun. Yeah, like the entire venue is like really big and everything. There's have like a lot of stuff here, so it's nice. Yeah, it's nice.
How are the people of Pune?
They're good, nice. Yeah, everyone's friendly and it's good.
And the character you are cosplaying?
I am Bella Dimitrescu from Resident Evil 8.
Very interesting country, so beautiful country. For me, very good. And festival, very good place. I'm like this, and many have market, very interesting.
नमस्ते, मेरे स्टॉल का नाम है वीटेन। हम लोग हैं लिटिल क्रेजी कंपनी और हम यहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर स्टेटमेंट इयरिंग्स आप स्पेशली गर्ल्स के लिए लेके आए हैं। और साथ में हमारे पास है एनीमे इयरिंग्स। उसके साथ हम कुछ ब्रेड्स भी लाए हैं जो हम बालों में लगा सकते हैं। ईजी क्लिप ऑन है, रेडी टू वेयर है। आप किसी भी टाइम पे कैसे भी इसको लगा के बालों में जा सकते हैं।
As this is the second or third Comic Con arranged in Pune, how do you feel on that?
So actually Pune Comic Con, I went for the first time many years ago when I was 14. Right now I am 22 and I have come after many years. And it's really lovely. I feel like revisiting the vibe has really been a good way to spend my weekend.
What sort of character have you become today?
So I'm cosplaying Nami from One Piece. It's an anime character. She has red hair. And it's not a complete cosplay, but I have done my take on it. So whatever I'm inspired by her, I recreate that my way.
Most of the people like hate anime.
Is that so?
Yeah. So what do you feel on that?
So I'm not too familiar with the people who hate anime because actually I've worked in the anime industry for many years now. And according to our surveys, actually out of every classroom with around 40 kids in it, at least 10 of them have heard of at least anime at least once. So not only are they consuming it, but they're also watching it themselves. Now every fandom, no matter what it might be, whether it's Bollywood, Hollywood or anime, will always have a group that loves it and does not love it.
Tell us two qualities to watch animes?
So it depends on what anime you're watching, because anime is for every single age group. If you talk about the mainstream anime like shonen, which is like Naruto and One Piece and the Attack on Titan ones, obviously the main character is amazing and he talks about, you know, how you go after your own dreams and always stand up for what you believe in. For a lot of kids who are growing up in our education system today, because the thing is, anime is illustrated very beautifully. So it's definitely very, very ahead of what even India has been able to do in terms of animating cartoons. And I am sure that the Indian anime industry is going to catch up really soon. But until it does, anime is a very good source of inspiration for kids.
You are here at the Pune's Comic Con. This is the third or the second Comic Con. How do you feel on that?
Honestly, I feel really great. It feels great being around here, like being around this ambience, being around this entire atmosphere, when you can enjoy a lot more than just anime, manga, comics. You can celebrate it all together without any toxicity over here. So such a place is something, a dreamer's paradise for all things pop culture.
What is the character that you are playing?
Right now, I am playing the character of the salesman from the Squid Games. So basically, he plays Takchi at the start of, I may be butchering the name, Dakchi. It's basically a game from Korea where you flip a card over with another card. So basically, I'm playing that character at the initial.
What is the character he is playing?
He's playing the character of Obanai from Demon Slayer. So basically, it's from a series called Demon Slaying Blade initially, but then translated to Demon Slayer. So this is the character of a Hashira, the snake Hashira, Obanai.
Can you just tell two qualities of coming to Pune's Comic Con?
I guess two of the things that you can probably have a benefit with is, one thing, you can get to see a lot of interesting things around you, like basically trailers, movie trailers, one thing that I love to see, previews, and of course you can enjoy all the goodies like gaming, and you can enjoy buying things from here like figurines, action figures, posters, etc.
Two good qualities of watching anime.
You get to learn a lot of life lessons, and you can definitely find a character you can relate to personally. So that's my take on it anyway.